Production.
What's poppin'? So let's look at Galaxy. Huge day on Galaxy. I think it'll be very interesting to see how does this name close the week, right? So again, $16. Let's be honest. There's no point in getting excited here because we know the job's it's just not finished, man. This can go so much higher. Everything about this is making clear sense. Low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now we're making this move. Okay. So this could potentially, I think, bring us to the mid 20s. Why I say that? This area is major, right? You can mark out a bunch of different zones, right? We have the bearish engulfing from which week is that? That's March 2021, right? So a few years ago, that week was a major zone. And it kind of, if you look here, we get a rejection there again, a rejection there again, again. That's a major zone. $28 makes sense to me. You start to see a lot of wicks around here. You could put maybe even 21 to 23. What I'm trying to say is the mid 20s is coming. You could feel it. This stock wants the mid 20s. Why I say you could feel it or it looks very evident is this past little consolidation from late February to now, it created the perfect cup, right? It's the perfect consolidation. A lot of whipsaw action, right? So we went, it said 15 all the way down to 12, right? And then again, up to 14.8, 15, and then comes back to 12. Very whipsaw. We have a very bullish earnings reaction. You got Novo pretty much telling us like his entire net worth is in Galaxy. Well, like 2/3 of it or some shit. All of his crypto is in Galaxy. There's so many bullish things coming out. You're starting to see it talked about so much more in the space. Like this name is Galaxy is becoming one of those names. You have Gali posting crazy charts of the similarities between Galaxy and MSTR. Pretty soon, I think you're going to start to see the big money rolling in and using Galaxy as a crypto exposure play, right? Like that's going to end up happening. Look at Coin, look at MSTR. I think Galaxy's next here. The proof's in the pudding, right? Look at what the company's done during the bear market and how they're executing now. Again, you look at this from a weekly perspective. This is so evident. Like you're starting to see these massive bullish candles on large volume, above average volume. So we have back in October, right? Massive candle escaping this zone. You're starting to see a lot of bullish engulfings occur, right? A lot of these candles, like this is what's telling you that the price is going higher. When we consolidate, look at the wicks coming from below, right? It's very consistent resistance turning into support. It's a beautiful technical reacting stock. And this zone that we were struggling with for the past little while, right? This area right here, think about how major it is, right? Look at this. Support, support, support. We broke below it. Haven't been there since. But look, we hung around, we stayed, and we create bullish patterns around this area, bullish price action around this area. To me, it seems obvious. I don't know when, don't know how, but it looks like this is going to the mid 20s. We could expect that, hopefully. It looks like June, July might be very valid for this, right? Mid 20s by June, July. I'm sticking to my guns on that. So we'll have to see. Who cares? If you're wrong, you're wrong. But the price action is very telling here that something's cooking up here on Galaxy. Peace, guys.